Good day, friends and family. How you're doing today? It's January 10th, 2021. And so as we see, we're looking at CoinGecko and we're seeing the coins, what's currently going on in the market. We're about to talk about cryptocurrency news as we do it all the time. This is A2Z Investor. So let's talk about crypto. So we look at the market cap. As you can see, let's see what's currently happening. Now, let's talk about what happened right here. Top performers this week. That's the week that just now passed. The top performers are here. Let's look at them. We have XLM Stellar. We have MKR Marker. We have ADA Cardano. We have Solana, and we have Yearn Finance. What that tells me, as you can see, all of them did above 75% net gains. What that normally tells me is that I'll wait for pullback and then I'll jump in it, but for long-term net profit, meaning as soon as I see a 10% or even a 15%, 10% or more pullback, I'll jump in it knowing that I'll keep my money in it for at least 2 weeks. So that's how I play that. Now, remember, I'm not giving you any financial advice. I'm not a financial planner. I have to say that so that we don't get fined. However, I'll tell you what I would do. That's how I'll always say it. So as you can see, you have Stellar here. Okay, it's had 137%, like they say, an explosion. And then you had Maker. Maker was huge. Okay, it saw 128%. Then you had Cardano, 79%. And then the other two was right around 75%. You have 78 here, Solana, and a Year Finance with about 76%. So those are the top five performers. Every week you'll have five top performers. I'll always give you an idea of the performers that I like. So let's go to see what's in the news. As you can see, again, South Korean is making news. Another 84 million deposits. Begs the question, why are Bitcoin whales in Korea selling? Now remember this, when they sell at the top to take a profit. So that's why you always see Bitcoin do a 15% or 20% pullback. But don't be afraid, it'll fill in the gap again and go right back up. So let's read. Bitcoin Wells in South Korea has been selling. Data shows that multiple 100 million deposits to BitHump have been spotted in the last 3 days alone. Okay, so as we can see, after 200 million deposits to BitHub were spotted, Coinbase saw a 90 million deposit, according to crypto. Worth 84 million were deposited into Coinbase. Due to the discrepancy between the daily volume of South Korea exchange that exceeds 50 million, hence, the most likely reason behind the continuous inflow in South Korea exchange is arbitrage. Awesome. So what's happening is on January 8th, Cointelegraph reported that Mega Wealth sold large amount of Bitcoin when it hit 40,000. That's why you saw that pullback to 36,000. And many major whales continue to sell aggressively, pushing the price down. In the near term, the pattern of whales taking profit and new buyers from the U.S. accumulating Bitcoin should continue. But the biggest variable that could alter the market dynamic is the strength of the U.S. dollar, the strength index. Okay, which I believe right at $50,000 we'll probably have a major sell off again. But remember, don't be afraid when you see Bitcoin drop 15% to 20%. Okay, that's the name of the game. Okay, it'll rise up 30%, take a pullback 15%. So, third news for the day. Now, crypto investors who call Bitcoin bear market bottom loading up on several altcoins. What that means is they predict that in the next 7 to 10 days, several altcoins should be moving 20%, 30% net profit or more. Okay, so let's start talking about it. The trader says he's invested in 7 alternate crypto assets. First on the list is AAVE. So they're saying AV should make a move within the next week to 3 weeks. Now, remember, I'm not a financial planner. I just research and know what I would do. Okay, so we have AV here, and then we have Cream. Okay, it's in the DeFi lending space. And if we go down, we have Ethereum, which I knew that Ethereum would be making their move, strong move. And again, Year Finance, which you had saw, already made a move, most likely will continue. And then we have the FTX token, that's FTT. And again, Solana, okay, which we saw already made a move, okay? So these are the coins that they predict, the altcoins that within the next 2 weeks, you'll see continuing growth, continuing movements. So we are calling it the next 2 weeks altcoin movements. Okay, now this is how I search for altcoins. I'll show you on CoinGecko. So let's just say we're going to explore all coins. So we click all coins, okay? And let's just say we want to look for coins that have a market cap. Let's just say 100,000 to 1 million. Okay? Let's see what happened. Now, all these happens. Now, let's look for a price between $10 to 100. And then let's look for a price change, meaning it's going up. We'll do 10% to 50%. Whoa. We'll do 0 to 10%. Okay, we'll do plus 50%. Oh, nothing happened. Let's don't care about this. Let's do all. Okay, now this is how you find altcoins and look at different altcoin pairs to see what's happening. Okay, volume, let's do volume between Booyaka. Okay, so learn CoinGecko and let's revisit. These are the altcoins that we predict will be making some movements. We have AVE, Avi, Cream. And then when we scroll down, we have Year Finance, FTX token, and Solana. Again, I am Romeo the Professor, and that's my analysis news for the day of January 10th, 2021. Until then, sayonara.